Hello, this is Mr. New Haven, and this is my Drive Safe traffic report. This Drive Safe is brought to you by Bruno's Garage. Bruno's Garage reminding you to drive safe. And this is a special maintenance required edition of Mr. New Haven's Drive Safe. If you've seen my St. Patrick's Day episode, you'll see that the work van was running a bit sluggish. My maintenance light was not on, but I know it's time for an oil change, so I am headed to Bruno's Garage. As you can see, 932-2300 is their telephone number. Give them a call, Bruno's Garage. They are on Front Avenue, West Haven, Connecticut. It's right around the corner from New Haven off the boulevard. They're coming up. They're right here around the corner. I checked out their website for you, and I included a list of services. Today's Drive Safe traffic tip is an important one. Make sure to take care of your vehicle's maintenance. This Drive Safe traffic report is brought to you by Bruno's Garage, reminding you to drive safe.